Well, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install APKs on your Android phone. So I'm trying to download the Epic Game Store. Now most of the time when you download them, you can see it pop up when you're done on the screen. So we can go to download again. And then you can see on the top you can just go to open. And then we got to go to settings and just turn on the permissions here for the download, and then we can update it. So if you don't have the permissions, it's not going to go and work. So you can open up through the Google Chrome or wherever. Otherwise you can swipe up and go to files, type in files. Here's files. Now choose the Epic Game Store or wherever you're trying to update, and then we can just select it under here. So if you downloaded, everything is going to be in your downloads folder, and then once you accept the permission, you should be able to just select it and then start it up. So look in your files and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.